This is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Datejust 36 in steel. Let's drop down to the table so we can take a closer look at this very popular piece. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the Datejust 36 in stainless steel, or the Rolex reference 116-200. This watch is an extremely popular watch in that it's kind of a starter Rolex in that it has very simple complications, it's fairly reasonably priced, but it's still very high quality. Now, this watch is actually available in a wide variety, the Datejust itself is available in a wide variety of configurations with different bracelets and different actual bezels. Now, this has the smooth bezel as opposed to the fluted bezel, which is seen on many other Datejusts. And the Datejust offers kind of a great ability to customize the watch that you want, and it's pretty cool. So now I'm going to move on to kind of the rest of the case. So it's got a 36mm stainless steel case, and it's Rolex's proprietary 904L stainless steel, which just has a fantastic luster. I'd say it looks a lot better than its competitors' stainless steels. So moving on to kind of the other aspects of the case, it's got a 100-meter water resistance, which is pretty sufficient for anything that anyone would normally use this for. It's definitely not a dive watch, but you could go in the pool with it. It'd be totally fine. It's got a screw-down crown, which would be very useful in the water. So now I'm going to move on to just a wrist shot, and the clasp of this watch is just beautiful. You just kind of angle your finger there and kind of pull it out. It's on a little spring-loaded system, so it's a little bit different than a Submariner, but it's very easy to put on and take off. It's very comfortable on the wrist. The 36mm case size is slightly small by modern standards, and which is pretty evident on my wrist, which is 6.5 inches, and that's pretty average, I would say, or slightly above average. But it looks a little bit small, but it's still definitely very stylish. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.